Welcome back to One More Guru. Today we're taking a look at the Despara Kit from DesparaLife.com. The product claims to be an all-in-one parasite cleanse and detox kit using herbs like black walnut, wormwood, garlic, and others. According to the site, it can remove parasites, candida, heavy metals, and even microplastics from your body. Sounds impressive, but here's the problem. There's no scientific proof that these ingredients can deliver a full-body detox or guaranteed parasite removal. Herbal remedies may have some benefits, but nothing close to the extreme claims the kit makes. Now, the website itself raises several red flags. Scam checkers like Scam Advisor and Scam Detector give it very low trust scores, flagging it as high risk. That doesn't automatically make it a scam, but it's definitely concerning. Customer reviews are another issue. Most complaints mention being charged without clear consent, hard to reach or non-responsive customer service, difficulty canceling orders, little to no real results from the kit. A few people reported receiving the product without issues, but the negative reviews far outweigh the positive ones. Overall, most feedback calls the site sketchy and the product overhyped. Even if the herbal ingredients were harmless, the combination of poor service, billing issues, and unverified claims makes this site very hard to trust. If you're looking for parasite support or detox options, it's much safer to consult a doctor and stick with evidence-based treatments. Buying from DesparaLife.com is essentially rolling the dice, and the odds aren't in your favor. This is One More Guru. My takeaway: I wouldn't buy from this site.